Hi, Assalamualaikum. This is me, Safir from the Proman stall here in BTKG, Dhaka. So we're bringing in the DPP, the Digital Product Passport, which is a mandatory requirement for the EU for the apparels that we're exporting to the EU post 2027. So basically, what is a DPP? It's a set of documents that would need to be presented at border control. Usually, the tags or the labels in the garments we have right now consist of very limited information. With the DPP, they can see beyond the existing brand sizes. They can see the material composition, the material components in the composition. They can see the life cycle of the product as well as the environmental impact the product has. The other important part of the DPP is that it has the sources of all the materials used in the article, which can be seen in one glance. Basically, the DPP is like a combination of all this data into one QR that needs to be presented in all apparel. Thank you so much. You're most welcome to visit our website to know more about it.
Thank you so much. I'd like to know, this supposed to be the first local traceability company, isn't it?
Well, we would like to believe that it's not the first, but the one of the first that's here in this event today, which is doing the DPP systems. We don't know any other businesses who've already been in the market or in the small today.
Yeah, but this company is local company, isn't it?
It's a US-based company, but we have an office here.
So the Proman is a US-based company?
Yeah, it's a Silicon Valley-based company.
Aha.
The company is this one, Surround Apps.
You know, when I saw its name Proman, I connected like Proman is a...
No, we did the same thing. I named it. I named it Proman like proof.
Yes.
Yeah, I named it. So then we also can call it Proman, like a professional management, product management.
Right. So this is basically US-based company.
Yeah, it's a US-based company.
So when did you enter?
So we were working with the World Bank last year. We had a similar product on traceability with them. It was with World Bank, Coca-Cola. And then we decided that since we're so good at traceability, why not take it to a level up? And so we realized this was the industry we should be in.
Okay, so you entered here in 2026?
With the Proman systems, 2026 we've launched it recently.
Right.
This is the launching campaign basically for this product right now.
Okay, so there are a lot.
But I do estimate that there would be other competition currently in the market, although very few companies have come up with the product already. But in pilot, there are 10 other companies that we're aware of in the market who's doing a similar system.
So you must, I mean, since you came into this trade, you must have analyzed the total situation of the, especially textile industry, right? And you must see that there is a need to comply with this.
Absolutely right.
As the European policies come in. Now, I want to know from your perspective how to do this all this work within this 1 year of time, because they are telling that by 27 February it will be.
To be honest, like at first when we started doing this system, we thought it was very complicated. Now that we have broken it down, actually the system is very simple. There's core few information that a buyer would need at border control. I'll show you the information on the board with later. So it's just a few information that has to be there. And the only difference between this and any other ERP system is an ERP system is a legacy system, meaning you upload information and it stays there. Unless you update the last uploaded versions, it doesn't do anything. For the DPP system, it's a live dynamic system, meaning every certification is checked every time someone scans it. So if you claim you have Oikotex certified, every time someone scans it, they check with Oikotex, are you still certified or not? So these are a few of the changes that the system, that the DPP requires. And also the dead man switch, meaning like a product has to be alive for after the company even dies. So say for example, right now, all the product information is with H&M. But what happens when H&M is no longer there? So now we're having to, what we did was that we put it in a blockchain system, meaning no single company owns the data. The data is in a common space, but you need to have an encryption to see the data.
Very secure. Yeah.
Very secure.
Right. And also I would like to know about the market. Okay, the market, what's your plan and what is your structure of subscriptions?
Okay, so right now we just came to the market. We have both pay as you go. You just can buy a DPP and use it. Or you can have a subscription with us, which is...
So you have both?
Yeah, we have both
okay.
as well. Also, at the same time, the pricing actually depends on the size of the factory. So the number of quantities that they produce, based on that, we can calculate the number of DPPs that they would need on a year, and then we give them an offer for that. At this point, with the factories that we have been testing and piloting with, the information is a little confidential that I cannot share with you at the moment. But yes, if there's any parties interested, we would like to sit with them one-on-one and give them the best offer that we probably can.
Right. And let me know how is the time frame. Like, for example, one company came to you today.
We can honestly, we can do it in one day. We don't need any installation or system integration. It's a
Really?
plug and play system we have.
Okay.
You just sign in, you create your name, your product, and you just create a DPP.
And does company need to buy any servers or any
They do need to
hardware?
have a GTIN, which is we are calling the GS1 digital link, meaning this is something that they need to buy from you, which is a
From
unique
Netherlands,
number,
I
yeah,
think,
which is a
GS1, yeah.
unique number that only the company has. That is the number which we use to do the batch level granularity, meaning this shirt was built in this facility on that day using these materials. So this is where the GS1
So you mean to say that for DPP, GS1 is almost
Absolutely.
a must?
absolutely must. Without
Everyone must buy this.
everyone has to have it, and because that's the way where border control will check from which factory this item was sourced.
Okay.
Without that, it wouldn't be possible. Say, for example, this shirt, H&M has ordered plain white shirt, 100,000 pieces, made in Philippines, made in Bangladesh, and made in India, all going to Denmark. Now, when at border control, they'll only see an H&M shirt, but with the DPP, now they can see which factory made it, which factory used what sources of materials, and who their suppliers were.
Thank you. Thank you so much for your time.
That's what-
And yeah, we'll see you again.
It's a pleasure. Thank you so much.